Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics: battery above 20% and the device unlocked so settings won't interrupt. Next, open Settings and use the search bar to find keyboard or language and input to save time. Once you locate input methods, tap the name of the keyboard app you use. This opens the keyboard settings page where you can manage data, permissions, and storage, so you're directly at the controls needed to reset rather than guessing through menus. You'll now clear the keyboard state to return it to default behavior. Tap Storage and Cache, then choose Clear Cache followed by Clear Storage or Clear Data. This removes custom dictionaries and settings. Once done, force stop the app to ensure everything restarts cleanly. Make sure to confirm any prompts. After that, go back to Input Methods, re-enable the keyboard, and grant required permissions so it can access dictionary and settings. This prevents You finish by testing. Open Messages or Notes and type to check autocorrect, suggestions, and layout. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the keyboard from the Play Store to replace corrupted files. Make sure to reconfigure language packs. Once reinstalled, reboot the device to lock in changes. Restarting often resolves lingering permission or service issues. If you still see errors, try a different keyboard temporarily to isolate whether the problem is the app or the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.